Who are they? And what are they famous for? Paisa. Right? Vantara. That's a nice way. But you know what? Their identity is known through their weddings. Right? And that's something within our hands. Right? It is not something we can say life was unfair, he has been chosen or she has been chosen. What is within our hands, we have to work in these 2 years. Self-introduction is one part. Second, you don't get a second chance. If I went to IIT or I'm working with a corporate house, I'm going for a meeting, if they don't like me, I'm not going to get a second chance in that particular organization. So I have to give my best. Yes, again, I might fail, but I need to prepare. That's what my message is. Third, as I mentioned, you can prepare well. The good news is, you can prepare. Friendly body language. Right? What is friendly body language?
Be flexible in every situation.
Flexibility.
In every
And the
situation.
body language so that people can approach you, talk to you.
Very good. Right? So how do we, we say that, এই লোকটা রাগী, এই মেয়েটার সাথে কথা বলা যায়. You can't even utter a single word. It's through the body language. You will see some people are always, their eyebrows are twisted, they are walking. They're not approachable. And some people have got a very amicable nature. You want to have a conversation. Right? You can approach. And that's how people I'm coming to relationship. You like a boyfriend or a girlfriend who's always grumpy? No. I'm not saying it's going to be yes all the time, but you like a person who's listening, who's acceptable. Same with, in your work relationship, in your normal, in your corporate, in your personal. Everyone who's an amicable nature is being accepted. So you have to develop a personality there. But again, as someone mentioned, I get angry. Being assertive and aggressive, there is a difference. When you're communicating, communicate with assertiveness. Right? But don't be arrogant. Right? The moment I entered this classroom, you had an impression about me. I did not speak. It was only my clothes speaking. That's the first impression is created. The second is your behavior. If appearance is setting the door, behavior is what confirms it. For example, you meet someone impeccably dressed. When he or she starts behaving with you, you say, oh my God, he or she is wearing a good dress, but the attitude and the behavior is not the right way. Right? So your appearance has to be good, your attitude has to be good. Now, I am impeccably dressed and behaving very nicely with all of you. I open my mouth and I talk nonsense. Right? I talk nonsense, I don't make sense, I don't know my subject matter. So, the third part, the C, is your communication. You have to be a great communicator. Now, the D has been recently added to image management. Any guesses? You can't say without it. It starts with D. D. Discipline is a part of your behavior. All of you are crazy about it. D. D for Denmark. Dressing sense is an appearance.
Dreams. Food.
Connect. Desire is the part of your behavior, attitude, what you desire for.
Develop. Decode.
Digital presence. Yes. Because the moment an HR is taking an interview, right? He or she goes and checks your LinkedIn profile, in fact your Facebook and Instagram, they do. The difficult one does it. So if I appear Sita to you and Geeta on my social media profile, what happens? My image just crashes. That your digital presence is an extension of your physical image. So how you portray yourself digitally is very important. Right? To create the right image.